Hello, everyone. What is the minimum salary in Singapore? Singapore does not have one national minimum wage for all workers. Instead, the progressive wage model sets minimum pay for selected sectors and jobs. It covers areas such as cleaning, security, and food services. Pay depends on the worker's job level, skills, and sector. Some workers are also covered by the local qualifying salary, which applies to certain businesses hiring foreign workers. Rates are usually shown as monthly basic salary, but some jobs also use hourly calculations. Employers must follow the legal wage rules, and workers can report violations to the authorities. The minimum wage in Singapore is different from a general national wage floor. It is designed to raise pay as workers gain skills and experience. In US dollars, the amount changes with the exchange rate. Please like the video and share your salary in comments. Thank you for watching.